Hello, everyone. So, I haven't been able to get on to eBay very much lately, and or afford much when I do get on there. But I did recently pick up this Yale because there's a couple of things unique about it. I like to collect Yale padlocks, especially like the old ones and stuff. And I had never seen one that was square like this. It reminds me of like the Master Lock. This is a Master 33. It reminds me of that design. And I looked in my 1918 Yale catalog, and the only thing I could find anything that looked close to that was something called a Terror, but it was a Terror and a Fidelity. Fidelity looked more like this kind of lock, and it was a push key type of mechanism on it, but it had the same metal and like plastic or whatever it was in the center. But I couldn't find one like that. And the other thing unique about this lock is it's made in Germany. And here's the key, which at first I didn't think the key was original, and I'm still not sure. It's solid and everything, but Yale's always proud of their locks and their keys. They always stamped on their keys. I don't know if this one is in here. I think this one they made from an eagle key. I don't think this is the original for this Yale, but almost every other Yale lock you see, especially back in the old days, they would make a key for them. But just like the, if you look at the Master Lock, it has like these two pawls, or basically two levers that you've got to hit. And you open this one a similar way on this one. Let me go ahead and lock him up. On all the Master Lock ones, I'm usually pushing my pick in this way and trying to hit a lever and getting it. But on this one, I'm going kind of like this way on it. And from what I remember, if you hit that sucker just right, it just flies right open real easy. You don't have to... It has two levers, but it seems like I'm just hitting one when I get it. It feels like I'm only hitting one lever. And I've looked at this and tried to mash on it. Let's see if I get this guy to focus. And it seems like I'm manipulating this one more than that one. Like that one barely moves. I don't know if I can... This thing's so low on the table here. I don't know if I can get in here and show it properly. Now there's some levers you push on, they're not going to do anything. Kind of like warding. But usually when you hit these guys, sorry, I'm having a hard time. I have to look at it to know where I'm pushing. There we go. I can get on this side, and you can still see the levers. There you go. I got that one. You saw that back one come back. Now to get it, you know, it's on this little latch right here. It should have to hit both of them. You can't. It doesn't look like you would be able to get one latch and just get it. Like you would have to get both of them. And I don't think you can see in there very well. But that's one of the levers. Let me zoom in. Yeah, but right down in there is one of the shiny ones on the bottom. And then there's another one off there on the side. I don't think you can see it, but there's another one on the very top up there. Let me zoom back out. Anyways, I got that guy. I thought that was cool. And they did use that same kind of mechanism, like on this old Yale here. It has this, you know, type of key, which just basically pushes up on one or two of those levers to pop that guy open. But there you go. I thought I'd share that with you. That one over there. And I don't know what Mittens is up to. Mittens, you're a little too young for stuff like that. But yeah, Master Lock made, this was a Model 33. They made a Model 44, which was slightly bigger. This is a Model 66, which I believe Paul Spring sent to me. And then this is a 77. However, it uses a pin tumbler. And this is one of the Lion ones. One of the rare Lion ones. The earliest models like this were a Lion profile. And then after that, they were all like a lion with his mouth open. It was like saying Master when he was opening or something. Anyway, there you go. Thought I'd share that with you. And hope everyone's having a good time and having fun playing with locks. Thank you for watching, and happy picking, everyone.